basic input. That is the first of all you have to give the input of total bill, that the bill you have excluding all the taxes and all the tips. Then you have to input the number of people among which you have to divide the total bill, and then you need to add the tip amount that you wish to give to the waiters. Next, the calculations happen. That is, first of all, the tip is calculated out of the total bill. Whatever percentage of the tip you have entered, that will be calculated. Then 13% of GST will be calculated out of the total bill. After that, the grand total will be calculated, in which the total bill will be added as well as the tip and the GST amount. Later on, the amount per person will be distributed, that of the total bill. As output, first of all, the initial bill, that was the original bill, will be printed. Later, the tip amount will be printed as well as the GST. After that, the grand total will be printed, and later the amount of bill each person have to pay will be printed. So here's an example you can also see, and if you have any questions you can ask. Thank you.